Hello, I'm Matt Smith with FS Curtis Air Compressors, and I'm here today at our factory, at our headquarters in St. Louis, Missouri, to talk to you about a question that we get asked a lot. And that question is, why would I choose a duplex reciprocating air compressor instead of just one bigger reciprocating air compressor or two smaller separately mounted packages? And there are several key reasons why you would choose a duplex machine. First off, duplex provides 100% backup. If I'm doing maintenance on one pump, or one pump goes down, I always have the other pump to provide 100% backup and cover all of the air demands of my shop. Second, because rotary screw technology is a great intermittent technology, it is ideal for applications where demand varies widely. So let's take the example of a 20-bay shop. If I have a 20-bay shop, but on the average day I only use 10 of those bays, I wouldn't want to size a rotary screw compressor to cover all 20 of those bays, because rotary screw technology likes to run all the time. If I oversize a rotary screw compressor to cover all 20 bays and run at only 50% duty cycle the rest of that time, I'm going to run into all kinds of problems with the rotary screw technology. Because recip technology likes to run intermittently, oversizing a duplex compressor is the ideal solution. We have one pump that can run and cover the 50% of the time that I'm only running 50% of my bays, and we have both compressors to cover all 20 bays when the need kicks in to do so. A related benefit of this is that we would save energy costs with the duplex compressor in this application, because on those days when I only run 10 bays, I run one smaller horsepower motor instead of a bigger horsepower motor if I had sized one compressor to cover all of the demand. A related benefit is also pump life in this situation, because if I sized one compressor to cover all 20 bays, I would be running one pump whenever I needed air. With a duplex compressor, you alternate back and forth between pumps so that you share the demand between two different pumps and you increase the pump life. And then finally, the last reason that you would want to use a duplex reciprocating compressor is space requirements. If you have a limited space, but you need two pumps, you can mount two pumps on one tank instead of having two separately mounted tanks. So duplex is ideal if space requirements are a consideration as well. Thank you for your time.